If you want to activate kids mode or parental controls on Realme Note 7T, in order to find it, we need to open settings on our smartphone. Then we need to find special features. And in here, you should be able to find the kids mode. So we can tap over here in order to set it up. First, we can choose which apps should be allowed for our kids. So let's say I'm going to choose some example apps over here. Then let's go next. We can set up the time limit, which can be set to 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, or you can set a custom time over here. You can also just completely disable the time limit if you don't want to set it up. And let's press OK. And there we go. Here is our kids mode. You can find some settings over here in the top right corner. As you can see, we have parental controls, and we can also exit. So if you want to leave this kids mode, you can just go, press exit, and use biometrics or the screen lock password in order to confirm. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.